This video is an overview of the installation process for the Viking Range 7 Series Multi-Unit Refrigeration Connector Kit. Your safety and the safety of others is very important. Please take a moment to read through the various warnings and dangers associated with this installation process. Measure the cutout dimensions carefully to ensure a proper fit. Refer to your installation manual for exact dimensions. The electrical outlet and water line locations can also be found within the installation manual. Ensure the floor substructure will support the weight of the units. The appliances are equipped with a 3-prong grounding plug. A 115-volt, 60 Hz, 15-amp fused electrical supply is required. It is also required that 2 separate electrical outlets, each with a separate circuit, serving only the appliances, be provided. The water supply line requirements are shown here. Please follow your local codes on certain supply line requirements. The location of the anti-tip brackets must be centered to the back of each unit. The vertical location of the brackets, dimension A, should be equal to the cabinet height opening, minus 83/15/16, plus 1 1/4 inch. Attach the anti-tip brackets to the wall using the screws provided. A minimum of 4 screws per bracket must be attached to the wall studs. Before removing the units from the pallet, remove the cabinet mounting side trim from the side of each unit where they will be connected to each other. Leave the side trim that will be connected to the cabinets. Install the center trim brackets on each unit where they will be connected to each other using the same screws. Install the heater to the right side using the screws provided. Plug the heater terminal into the socket on top of the unit. Remove the units from the pallet and position them in front of the cutout. Install the top connecting plate using provided screws. Install the rear connecting plate using the provided screw. Plug in the electrical supply to both units. Remove the toe kick panel and lower grille on both units. Roll the connected units into the cabinet cutout and guide water supply lines through both units. Connect the water supply lines to both units. Once the refrigerators are in position, level the units to the floor using the 5/16" hex nut and a wrench. Each leg can be raised by rotating the hex nut clockwise or lowered by rotating the hex nut counterclockwise. Reinstall the lower grille and toe kick panel on both units. The units must be level and plumb for proper door operation, fit, and finish. If custom panels are being installed, refer to your instruction manual. Open both doors. Remove the plastic film from the center connecting trim. Install the center connecting trim by pressing it in between the 2 units. The center trim should be even with the top of the units. Install the cabinet side trim to the cabinets with the screws provided. Install the magnetic side trim. Open and close the doors and drawers to make sure none of the moving components interfere with surrounding cabinets. Ensure there are even gaps across the front and sides of the unit. Refer to your installation manual if adjustments are needed. Verify your unit is operating after installation by referring to your installation manual. Turn on the heater by pressing the vacation button and the up button and holding for 5 seconds.